Hello, c'est Jean-Marc from MilliBox, and today I have a big announcement to make, and that's because we have a new member of the MilliBox family, and her name is GIM06. So we're all very excited about that. I want to show you a little bit about it. It's robust, it's affordable, and it's fast. So GIM06 is going to be introduced on the market as part of a kit called MBX02K. That's a starter kit that will include the MBX2 chamber, the GIM06, and the full-fledged software. We are going to introduce it to the market for a price below $20,000. Now, let me show you a little bit more about GIM06 features. So here you can see GIM06 a little bit closer. In essence, GIM06 is a replacement for Gimbal 1. As you can see, the deck is 16 centimeter wide and 5 centimeter in depth and can support DUTs up to 1 kilo. Many points of attachment of zip ties to keep everything clean and tidy. You can see the laser is outside the deck compared to our previous models. The elevation axis is driven by a motor in direct drives without gears, and in the base we have a 5:1 gear ratio. Stays very fast and very powerful. The construction is very strong, very slick, many anchor points, and still all axes are still fully open to pass any kinds of cables, ribbon cable, USB, and things like that you need for your to power your DUT, and again affordable. So that was a very short introduction to Gimbal6 and MBX02K. If you want to know more, don't hesitate to contact us. You can visit our website, www.millibox.org, or millibox@milliwavess.com. You can send us an email. And talk to you later.